Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word wilted. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The flowers in the vase looked wilted after being left in the sun all day. Wilted means to become limp or drooping, usually due to lack of water or exposure to heat, causing the plant or flower to lose its freshness and vitality. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.